Hey there, food lovers and DIY enthusiasts. Dale here from Press to Cook, and today we're tackling a common kitchen conundrum: what to do when your Maytag microwave plate won't spin. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome kitchen tips and tricks. Alright, let's get cooking, or in this case, spinning. First things first, let's make sure the microwave is unplugged before we start poking around. Safety first, folks. Now on to fix number 1, check the turntable and roller guide. Sometimes the simplest solution is the best one. Open up your microwave and take out the turntable plate. Inspect the roller guide underneath it. Is it out of place or jammed? Give it a good clean and make sure it's seated properly. Pop the turntable back in and give it a spin by hand. Does it move smoothly? If yes, you might have just fixed your problem. If not, let's move on. Fix number 2. Inspect the turntable coupler. This little piece connects the motor to the turntable. Remove the turntable and roller guide again and take a look at the coupler in the center of the microwave floor. Is it cracked or broken? If so, you'll need to replace it. Don't worry, replacements are usually inexpensive and easy to install. Just twist the old one out and pop the new one in. Fix number 3. Test the turntable motor. Now things get a bit more technical, but don't worry, I've got your back. You'll need a multimeter for this. Unplug the microwave and remove the bottom panel to access the motor. Set your multimeter to the lowest ohm setting and touch the probes to the motor terminals. A reading of 0 or infinity means the motor is bad and needs replacing. If you get a different reading, the motor is likely fine, and we need to keep troubleshooting. Fix number 4. Check the control board. The control board sends power to the turntable motor. If the board is faulty, the motor won't get the signal to spin. This is a bit more complex, so if you're not comfortable, it might be time to call in a pro. But if you're game, look for any burnt or damaged components on the board. Replacing a control board can be pricier, but it's often worth it to get your microwave back in action. Fix number 5. Look for obstructions. Sometimes the issue might be as simple as something blocking the turntable. Check the microwave floor and the area around the turntable for any debris or food particles that might be causing a jam. Give everything a good clean and try spinning the turntable again. And there you have it, 5 simple fixes to get your Maytag microwave plate spinning like new. Let me know in the comments which fix worked for you, or if you have any other tips and tricks to share. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Press to Cook for more kitchen hacks and home repair tips. Until next time, keep those plates spinning and your meals winning. Catch you later.